Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2020, on a 69 plate Ford Fiesta Titanium. This is the 1 litre turbocharged petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in shadow black metallic, and it's covered less than 9,000 miles. So I'll have a good walk around of this really good looking Fiesta Titanium. Extremely low mileage example. January 2020 registered. 8,950 miles, that's all on the clock. Owned by the current gentleman since 2022. Does come supplied with service history as well, so well maintained mechanically despite the very low mileage. We've got these nice 16-inch silver alloy wheels, they're in good shape, and that really complements the shadow black. It looks a properly classy car. 5-door model, 99 brake horsepower with that 6-speed manual gearbox, so good fuel consumption, over 50 to the gallon on a combined run according to Ford. £190 a year to tax, as with all cars of this age, and a nice low insurance group as well, so very economical to run day to day. 5-door practicality. They're just ever such good cars, Fiestas. They look good, really nicely appointed, they drive ever so well. And this is the titanium spec, so really nice level of trim as we have a look inside. Obviously, condition wise, with the mileage, the interior's pretty well perfect. Seats all nice and clean and tidy. Door cards are all good. Remote central locking does come supplied with 2 remote keys. Electric front windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. It's got its original carpet mats, automatic lights. Steering wheel's in good shape. You've got controls for your Bluetooth, voice recognition, trip computer, and then on the other side you've got your cruise control with speed limiter, lane assist, and it's a push button start, leather centre armrest, manual handbrake, couple of cup holders, eco button, start stop, which of course you can switch off, and then you've got a 6-speed manual gearbox, USB input, 12-volt socket. There's your 2 keys. There's also a phone charger down there. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks, and if I start the car up, so foot on the clutch, push the button, there's your mileage, 8,955. It's just shouting because the door's open. Back across you've got your climate control, heated front screen, which we won't need today because it's boiling, but very nice in the winter. And then up above to your big infotainment system, really nice straightforward setup. You've got satellite navigation, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth for your telephone, and if you put the car into reverse we've got parking sensors at the back, and you get a park pilot that comes up on the screen there as well. So really nice, easy to get along with layout, but all the kit that you could want really. Five-door practicality, and like I say, just good all-rounders. 3 proper seat belts with 3 headrests, and of course the ISOFIX for the child seats, so very comfortable 5-seater. And round to the back of the car, like I say, you've got your parking sensors, and then into the boot space, nice big boot, parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats, and then really good size for a car of this nature. And underneath you've got your inflation kit in case of a puncture. And there we have it, January 2020 Ford Fiesta Titanium, 1 litre turbo with a 6-speed manual gearbox, less than 9,000 miles with service history. Loads of spec including satellite navigation. Finance is available from less than £230 a month, based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT. We will be replacing all 4 tyres as they were advised on the last MOT. along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and you can contact us. And if you would like to make an appointment, please do let us know. Thanks for watching. Really nice looking car. Won't be here long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.